listening right now, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for giving yourself a few minutes today. Alam mo, minsan ang likit ng buhay, no? Kahit wala namang malaking problema, parang pagod ka lang. And that's okay. You don't have to explain it to anyone. Today, gusto lang kitang kausapin. Walang pressure, walang advice na kailangang sundin. Just words para sa'yo. Una sa lahat, I want you to hear this clearly. Okay lang mapagod, okay lang umiyak, okay lang kung feeling mo wala kang gana today. Hindi ka mahina just because you feel tired. Hindi ka lazy. Hindi ka failure. Tao ka lang naman na may pinagdadaanan. Kung feeling mo wala kang na-achieve, let me remind you of something. Yung pagbangon mo kahit ayaw mo na, achievement yun. Yung pag-try mo ulit kahit takot ka, achievement yun. Yung paghinga mo ngayon, pakikinig mo dito, that already means something. Minsan kasi, masyado tayong harsh sa sarili natin. Ang malis natin intindihin yung iba, pero pagdating sa sarili natin, ang hirap maging kind. So let me say this for you, kung hindi mo pa naririnig today, you're doing your best. Kahit hindi perfect, kahit messy, kahit mabagal, your best is still your best. At kung may araw na pakiramdam mo wala kang silbi, please remember this. May impact ka kahit hindi mo napapansin. Yung simpleng presence mo, may halaga. May mga taong mas gumagaan ang araw dahil nandiyan ka. Sa ngayon, huminga ka muna. Slow breath in, then out. Hindi mo kailangang ayusin lahat today. Kahit isang maliit na step lang, sapat na. And if no one told you this yet, I will. Proud ako sa'yo. Salamat sa pagpapatuloy. Hanggang sa susunod, dahan-dahan lang. You're doing okay.